Hi, my name is Sarnav and I'm applying for AI Engineer internship role. Today, I will be walking you through my agentic AI project, a production-ready RAG system with multi-agent content pipeline built for Kildra Ayurveda. The real-world business problem this solves is a safe, accurate medical information retrieval. In the healthcare and wellness domain, AI hallucination is unacceptable. Brands need AI system that can answer customers' query and generate articles, but it must strictly adhere to provided medical content, maintain a warm brand voice, and avoid making unverified claims. To solve this, I built a system that not only retrieves information but actively prevents hallucination using strict fact checking, guardrails, and adaptive processing. Let's look at the architecture. The system is divided into two major components. First is the core RAG Q&A system. It ingests unstructured Markdown files and CSV products catalog. It uses local Hugging Face embeddings, all mini LM L6v2 model to embed chunks into a ChromaDB vector storage. Upon a query, it retrieves the top chunks and generates an answer strictly using context, returning structured citations. Second is the multi-agent content workflow. To generate entire article, I implemented a 5-step agentic pipeline. An outline agent that verifies COPS coverage before planning, a writer agent during per section RAG retrieval, a fact check agent that acts as a strict guardrails, a tone editor agent to ensure brand compliance. Let's dive into the code. I want to highlight a specific feature I engineered to optimize the results and ensure production readiness. First is adaptive chunking. Instead of one size fits all approach, I implemented adaptive chunking. Q&As are chunked at 400 characters to keep Q&A pairs together, while conceptual guides are chunked at 800 characters to retain border context. I used a Markdown awareness recursive text splitter to extract section header automatically, injecting doc ID and section ID into the metadata for every chunk. Second, optimized retrieval and generation strategy. During retrieval, I query the top 5 chunks to cast white net, but to optimize token usage and avoid confusing the LLM, I only use the top 3 chunks for the generation prompt. I also strictly set the LLM temperature to 0.1 to enforce factual consistency over creativity. Third, agentic guardrails. The fact checker agent. This is my favorite part of the agentic workflow. After the writer agent drafts an article, the fact check agent extracts all the factual claims I implemented and auto rejects threshold. If the grounding score falls below 0.7, meaning too many claims are unsupported by the retrieval context, the system fails the draft. This is critical quality gate for medical AI. Fourth is per section retrieval. Instead of single RAG call or whole article, the writer agent iterate over the outline and query the vector data. Now let me show the chatbot itself. So here is the input point where we can write any query about the Ayurveda. So let's start with a normal query. What is Ayurveda, right? So run this once. So here we got the answer. Ayurveda is a traditional system for health that originated in India, and here we also got the citations, sources where it came from, right? It came from the MD file, which is Ayurveda Foundation. We can found this over here. Yeah, this was the MD file. Let's ask another thing about this. Tell me about. Let's write. Tell me about the product uses. Let's use. So here we got health oil and herbal designs, the production formulate, blah blah blah. Okay. We also got the citations for this product from product Brahmini Thailam internal, right? So it was here from this MD5, and it also shows the average relevance score. For this, it is 74%, and it searches for 5 chunks. I can show you one more example. Um, so the query was, how long does it take to see the results? It's wonderful that you are exploring generative Ayurveda. As we have used tone editor agent, we can get warm answers like starting with, it's wonderful that you are exploring the journey with Ayurveda. The time it takes see results can vary for a bit from person to person. Generally, from individual may be noticing change area like sleep, diseases, and energy. Okay, we got this answer from here. So some people may change sleep, digestion, and or energy in a few weeks, right? So we got the same over here. Following with that, we also got the average reference score, source retrieval, and chunk searched.